The parts of the plant. The roots hold the plant in the ground and absorb water and nutrients from the soil. The stem carries the water and nutrients to the rest of the plant. The stem also directs the leaves towards the sunlight. Leaves use the sunlight to make food for the plant. Flowers, commonly found on the end of a stem, are responsible for reproduction. Seeds and pollen are made in the flowers. The seeds have the ability to become baby plants. The seeds can grow leaves, roots, stems, flowers, and more seeds. Some flowers make fruits to create new plants. Look at these carrots. When you eat the orange part, what part of the plant do you think you're eating? Are you eating the roots, the stems, the leaves? Can you identify each of these parts in this picture? Were you right? The carrot is the root, and the roots hold the plant in the ground and absorb water and nutrients from the soil. Look at these potatoes. When you eat the brown part, what part of the plant do you think you're eating? Where are the roots, the stems, the leaves? Were you right? Did you identify the big brown part as the root? Did you identify the long green straw-like shapes as the stems? Did you think the flat green shapes were leaves? If you did, you're doing good. The potato is a root, and the root holds the plants in the ground and absorbs water and nutrients from the soil. Look at the asparagus. When you eat the green part, what part of the plant do you think you're eating? Where are the stems? The leaves. Were you right? Did you guess the stems were the big, long part, and the leaves were the tiny, pointy tips at the end? Asparagus has both an edible stem and leaves. The stem carries the water and nutrients to the rest of the plant. The stem also directs the leaves toward the sunlight. The leaves use the sunlight to make food for the plant. Look at these onions. When you eat the red part, what part of the plant do you think you're eating? Where are the roots, the stems, the leaves? Did you guess the long green part are the leaves? That the little red bulb is the stem? That those tiny little hairs at the end are roots? Onion has an edible stem. The stem carries the water and nutrients to the rest of the plant. The stem also directs the leaves towards the sunlight. Look at the broccoli. When you eat the green center, what part of the plant do you think you're eating? Where are the roots, the stems, the leaves? The stem is the long straw-like. The leaves are flat with ruffles on the end. The flower is in the very center with lots of little green bulbs. And the roots, you can't see them, they're still in the ground. The edible part of the broccoli is the flower. The flower is responsible for making new plants. Look at the lettuce. When you eat it, what part of the plant do you think you're eating? Where are the roots, stems, and leaves? In this case, you can't see the roots because they're still underground. The leaves are the large, flat, green ruffles. The flower is in the very center. And the stem, well, the stem is in the leaves. See those little tiny veins? Those are the stems. Lettuce has edible leaves and flowers and stems. The leaves use the sunlight to make food for the plant. The flower is responsible for making new plants, and the stem carries the water and nutrients to the rest of the plant. The stem also directs the leaves towards the sunlight.
The roots soak up water and minerals from the ground. The stem holds the plants up tall, so the leaves can reach the sun. It also moves water to the leaves and the flowers. The leaves do photosynthesis to make food for the plant. Yo, yo, yo. The flowers make seeds that start a new plant. Beautiful petals attract birds and bees. These are the parts of the plant.